Welcome to this short video on one of the 50 myCAD tools available, Project Explorer. Project Explorer enables you to restructure a project directly from within the Windows Explorer without losing any SOLIDWORKS links between the documents. In this example, all parts and assembly documents have been created with a single name in the same folder. I retrieved by copying the path of the folder where all the references for my project are stored. I close the assembly and open Project Explorer. I paste the path which contains all the references for my project and I run the analysis for the folder. Project Explorer has detected 19 parts, 5 assemblies, no drawings and no subfolders. I've just opened the working folder with Windows Explorer. I start by creating 2 new subfolders for the parts and subassemblies. Then, simply by dragging and dropping, I move the subassemblies and parts into their respective folders. The Project Explorer interface will analyze all of my actions in real time and will automatically recreate the references. I can rename the main assembly. With Project Explorer, I can define renaming rules for files of varying complexity. Here I am choosing to simply add the prefix 256 to the selected files. I select all of the subassemblies and using the right-hand mouse button, I can perform the command rename with Project Explorer. I repeat the action for all of the parts. I have finished reorganizing my project, so I close Project Explorer and double-click on the main assembly to open it. All references have been recalculated. Reorganizing a project has never been so easy. If you'd like to know what other tools are available, please watch our other videos or use the local help.
We'd like to take a few moments to tell you about our company. Innova Systems are a UK-based authorised reseller for SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD software. We provide the highest quality technical support and training courses to over 1,000 of our customers. Buying from us doesn't just mean a box of software, you also get the backup of our multi-award winning technical support team. Innova have been voted #1 for customer satisfaction for the last 4 years running. We are a company driven by the continued success of our customers. If you're interested in knowing more about SOLIDWORKS or the services we provide, please get in contact with us.